Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable mono audio for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. And firstly I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android device. But some Android phones have a system what's similar to iOS, so maybe on your Android you need to check also this part to find correct way, because your path may be the same as on iOS. Now on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what's located under the General Settings. Tap at the Accessibility line and we need to scroll down here, and in the hearing we have audio and visual. Tap at this line also, and right here at the third line, or if you have iOS 26 in the fourth line, you will see mono audio. To enable it you need to tap one time at the slider near to it, and to disable you need to also tap one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. That's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, open Settings, and we need to also go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and on my phone it's located at the bottom. Now tap at the Accessibility line, and right here in this menu we need to scroll down again and find Audio Adjustment. And also at this phone I have it at the bottom. Enter into this line, and right here we have mono audio at the first line. So to enable it you need to tap one time at this slider if the slider have empty background, and to disable it you need to also tap one time at this slider. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!